Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be kind of like a springtime makeup look. I'm just gonna kind of do some quite natural but glowy skin that will last quite a long time, and also then I'm going to do like I think I'm going to do like a pop of colour in the eyeliner and things. So yeah, we'll just jump straight into it. So the first thing I'm going to start out with is the NYX Honey Dew Me Up primer. I really like this because it gives your skin a nice glow, but it does help to keep it matte as well. It doesn't like make your makeup slide off or anything. Next I'm going to be going in with the Benefit Professional. Then for foundation, I'm mixing the Benefit Hello Happy and the Revolution Conceal and Define. I've really been liking the combination of these two, just because this is like quite a nice, lightweight, natural foundation, and then that just kind of gives it a bit of a thicker consistency. Then for concealer, I'm using the Revolution Conceal and Define, and this is in the shade C2. I really kind of been liking this kind of like foundation routine where it's a little bit lighter on the skin, and then I'm just adding like concealer in areas that I need it, rather than like a full cake on of like foundation and stuff. Especially when it's a little bit warmer, then you don't feel as though you've got like loads of foundation on. Obviously, don't get me wrong, I still love like a full coverage look, but just like day to day I've been quite liking this. For powder, I'm using the original RCMA No Colour powder for this. And then for setting the rest of my face, I'm using the MAC Studio Fix powder, and this is in the shade NC15, and I'm using like kind of quite of a loose, like not a super dense brush to apply this. Then for bronzer, I'm using the Essence Sun Club bronzer, and this is in the shade 02 Sunny. I'm using like a quite a duo fibre, but not really a duo fibre. Quite like a not like a dense brush for this either, just so it doesn't pack too much product on. Even if it's not super sunny outside and it's only like a little bit of sun, I'm trying to kind of mimic it in my makeup and things like that, hoping for the nice weather. Then for contour, I'm just going to use a tiny little bit of Hoola. I'm not going to put too much on, I'm just going to do like a little bit. Then for blush today, I'm using the Benefit California blush, which just looks like this. I love the colour of this, it's so nice. Then for highlighter, I'm going in with the Estate highlighter. This was out of my Birchbox video, and I've just recently, and I've really been loving this. It gives such a beautiful glow to the skin. See? Right, and then I'll quickly just do my eyebrows off camera and I'll be back in just a second. Then I'm going to be going in with the Mani MUA Life's a Drag palette by Luna Beauty, and I'm just going to be taking this kind of colour here, which is called Hunter, and it's just like an ashy kind of colour, and I'm going to be popping this into my crease. Just so we've got a little bit of depth in here, that's all it's for. Then for eyeliner, I'm going in with the Manhattan Gel Eyeliner in the shade Petrol. And this is just like a blue eyeliner, like a bluey green kind of highlighter. So I'll just zoom in a little bit and you can see what I'm doing. So I'm just taking it on like an angled brush, and I'm just starting at the inner corner to begin with. Then I'm just going out and doing the tail of the wing now. And then I'm just connecting it in. So that is what one wing is looking like. So I'm just going to do the other one now. So that's what the winged liner is looking like. I really like how it turned out. Just like a nice pop of colour. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop on some mascara, but first thing I'm just going to use the same highlighter that I was using. Same highlighter I was just using, and pop it on my inner corner and my brow bone. Like this eye makeup is quite simple, but I quite like it with the blue eyeliner. I think it looks really nice and effective. So for mascara today, I'm actually going to be trying out this one that I picked up out of my Birchbox. It is the Nourishing Mascara, and it's by Botanic Beauty. If you haven't seen my latest Birchbox, I'll leave it linked just above here. I'm just going to zoom you out because that's not like a really nice look having it super. So there is my mascara done now. So for lips, I'm going in with the MAC lipstick in the shade Chatterbox. I really like this lipstick because it's nice and creamy. And there we go, so we've got the nice pop of colour on the eyes and the pop of colour on the lips. I really like the way that this look turned out. The skin's just really nice, natural and glowy. And to finish it off, I'm just going to be spraying it with my Urban Decay All Nighter spray. So this is just what the eyeliner looks like. It's all finished. The eyes do look quite simple, but I think the blue eyeliner gives it a really nice pop. You could go on and put false lashes on if you want to, but I don't personally want to. That is just my preference. But yeah, I hope you have liked how this look came out. If you have, then please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and also hit that subscribe button down below. Also, let me know down in the comments what kind of videos you would like to see. And yeah, I will just catch you in my next one. Alright, bye guys.